everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. Before proceed with the today's session, let's have a look at agenda of today's session. In this session, we'll try to discuss about main function. Let's write a code for main function, that is DEF main function. In function definition, we'll write print function, that is print hello, and we'll write one more print function which is not inside the main function, that is print go get my guru. If we run this code, we'll get only go get my guru as output because it is not inside the main function. Let's run this code. We are getting only go get my guru, not hello. Why it is so? It is because our call function is not declared, that is conditional or if statement, and will call main function. Here conditional statement is if statement, and when the value of the name variable is same as the function name, then it will get called to the main function. Now we'll execute this code and we'll see what output we'll get. We are getting here go get my guru and hello. Next we'll see how this code works. Some programming languages have a special feature that is automatically gets executed when an operating system begins to run a program. This function is called as main function, and it is the starting point of the program, and function should starts with a def keyword, that is def main function, and Python runs the code sequentially when the program is executed. Consider a class having a function definition, that is main function, conditional or if statement which will checks the value of the name and compares it to the string main. When it's evaluates to true, then it will call to the main function. We'll see one example for the main function in class. In class furniture, there is a state, that is color is equal to black and category is equal to desk, and behavior is get furniture by category. If you want to know about class, state and behavior, you can watch our previous video by using above card. And this state and behavior are accessed in a main function by creating an object, that is furniture is equal to the furniture. Here furniture is our new object. Now we want to call main function by evaluating conditional or if statement. When this if statement evaluates to true, then it will call to the main function. Let's run this code. We'll get output as black, furniture by category is desk. I hope all of you got the knowledge about this concept. Hope you are enjoying learning with us. Requested to like our videos to support us. Leave us a feedback in the comment section. Are you our subscriber to our channel? If not, requested to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding, happy learning.